This is the IKON V3, and if you don't like soldering and you don't like building, this one's going to be right up your alley. The IKON 3, it's giving you a premium experience without having to do all the hard work. G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and in this video we're going to go through this little 3-inch ripper. We're going to take it out to the field. We're going to catch up with Stickman Steve, and we're going to show you why you don't need to build your own to have the best time in FPV. This is a bind and fly, but it's offering a bit of a premium experience. I'm going to put the link down below, but all in all, it's doing some really cool stuff. So as a bit of an overview, before we go scream this thing around, have a good time, it's got a DJI in here. So this is the O3 Air unit. It is relatively made for a freestyle drone. It's not the heaviest drone out there. It could carry an action camera, although I don't recommend it because it's got that onboard juicy footage you're about to see anyway. It's coming in at 156 grams. I'm going to be flying mine around on a 4S LiPo. It's got a bunch of TPU all around it. One thing I would like to mention, if we have a look underneath, there is quite a lot of little screws and that sort of thing, so it sort of shows how much work has gone into here. It would be a bit of a pain if you had to build this by yourself, but the best part, because it's a bind and fly, you don't have to. It's got some little TPU bumpers and everything on there. It's very well protected. It comes, we've got this one with an ELRS receiver, so you should have no issues with range. But all in all, it's like a little 3-inch ripper that is designed to have fun. And if you're one of those people out there who says, oh, I like it complex, I don't want those people in the hobby, I love to build my own drone. That's good, but you can get out of here because I want people to have fun, and not everyone likes to solder, not everybody likes to build, but they do like to fly around. So that's what we're gonna go do now with the IKON 3, show you just how fun it is and why nowadays you don't always have to build your own to get the best experience possible. So let's go do it with Stickman Steve in 3, 2, 1. Radio IKON 3 time, Stickman Steve's in the background. It is absolutely a scorcher here today in Australia in the summer heat. We're gonna fly this thing around, bring you along, and we're at a pretty cool place actually. Like, check out this RC track behind us as well. We just finished filming an RC car with a steering wheel. That was a heap of fun. But let's rip this around, do some tricks, and find out how does this little 3-inch go and what's the hype about it. All right, ready, Steve?
Yeah, mate.
Staying clear? You're clear, Steve?
Yeah, mate.
I'm just gonna check that this is gonna hover.
This guy scares me, I swear to God.
It should be fun.
Feels good?
Well, it took a little bit to get off there actually, but I'm gonna come and give it a bit of a punch out. We've got a 900 milliamp hour 4S on here. So I do really like this size of craft though, and of course the camera on here looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's our little racetrack, but let's go for a bit of a fly. You reckon I can do a trippy spin?
Yeah, definitely.
Nope.
What was that?
Alright, I'll try it now, right? Oh man,
I don't close.
I was so close to smashing into that. I best not do that straight away. Alright, cruising this thing around. Look, it feels nice. It's really easy to fly. It's sort of going exactly where I want it to. I don't feel like I'm fighting the craft at all. It's got a really nice tune on here. ELRS means I'm not going to get any range dropouts or anything like that. How's it look in the air?
It looks like it's absolutely screaming, mate.
It probably is, considering how large the space is. Like, that's something I didn't think about, was this is a big flat open field and not a tight little space. It's still absolutely screaming around.
Yeah, you're covering some ground, but then when you're flying and doing your tricks and things, it doesn't seem like it's oscillating.
Yeah,
or anything,
it's
no
not.
bounce back.
It's not actually.
Sounds like a nice smooth little craft.
And I could fly this for days, and the battery's holding up all right as well.
Yeah, it's a good size. That's what I find on my 3-inch. The 900 is just perfect. You get that weight,
especially
so you can fling it.
And if it needs a bit of power as well.
Where are you?
I'm way out over near the far goalpost.
Okay.
It's not goalpost, the high
Oh yeah.
high lights. I'll do a bit of a speed run. It's definitely not slow, I'll tell you that for free.
Screaming. Man, yeah, that thing hooks.
And plenty of juice left. I'm surprised. Yeah, I think a really fun, like, well put together drone. It's a little bit more expensive. I think it's about $420
with the O3.
Yeah, with the O3, but it's not over the top. It's not extravagant or anything like that. I mean, I'm going to bring this in because we're still at 6.5 volts, so we still got, you know, another 20% left in the tank. But let's hand it over to you. I'm worried I'm going to crash it because I'm having too much fun with it. But we'll hand it over to you and see what you think. No. Not intimidating. Like, it didn't sound really loud. You could still hear it, but it wasn't like screaming and turning heads. Like, if you had some kids riding their bikes, or they wouldn't, the mum wouldn't come over and start yelling at you. That's how I feel.
That's right.
All right, Steve, the IKON 3, what were you just mentioning?
Just the KV of the motors, 4600. What are they, little 1404s?
Yeah, and on a 4S, that's probably why it was screaming through the air. Are they hot at all?
No, they're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
And
quite
you were
cool.
hooting that thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look. Nice
First
little...
impressions?
I love 3-inch. That's my go-to size.
Yep.
So I got the Flyfish Volador 3-inch.
Okay.
Love it. It's sturdy. Looks a little bit thicker plates and things on the Volador. But,
yes.
You know, time will tell if your damage is crashing it. I'm just trying to see the little arms. It doesn't look like there's like a keystone in there. I think that's how they've kept it lightweight. You just got a little all-in-one and then no sort of subplate there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But
you can notice too, one of the differences with that, see how it's got larger screws and then a bunch of little screws as well. So I guess those larger ones are to have a bit more purchase holding those arms in.
Yeah. But yeah, honestly, nice little 3-inch design, super lightweight. Carrying the 03, no trouble at all.
Yeah, it's hoofing.
Keen to see how it goes.
Ready to rip it around?
Yeah.
I'll plug it in for you.
Yep.
Telemetry recovered.
All
right, Steve, take it away. And you're off. Straight into some freestyle.
Yeah, nice, eh? Smooth.
I want you to just go full throttle, like along the soccer pitch or something. Yeah, okay. What do you think about the speed?
It's quick little 3-inch for sure. I run quite aggressive props on mine. I get shorter battery life, but it just has so much purchase in the air.
Yeah.
But yeah, this thing's smooth. All right, full speed.
Oh, I thought you were going full speed.
No,
okay, all right, yeah, yeah.
So I was watching with yours, like, what? This thing's quick. Yeah, no, it's really nice. Feels a little bit in the tune, not bobbly, just loose.
Okay.
So when I'm turning, I got to get quite aggressive.
Yep. Like maybe turn the rates up a little bit or something?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe just a bit of expo on the yaw.
Yep.
But yeah, no, great. Awesome little thing. Where's my battery voltage? Oh yeah, it's holding in real good. Man, there's no issues with this thing.
The mower man's watching. You should go give a. Oh, he was watching.
Man, this thing's crazy fast. Yeah, I like it, Stu.
Okay.
No, I love it. I think it's great.
Would you get one of these?
If I was looking for a new frame, yeah, I'd love to give one a go.
This is like there is the frames, but also the pre-built with the 03 air unit, about $420. And I think a big one for me is people who don't want to build. It's not like your generic ones that have been smashed out all the time by the big couple of companies. It's got a little bit of love behind it. It feels like a scratch build that you don't have to build yourself. I think that's what they're going for.
I think they've nailed it. Honestly do. It flies so well. Yeah, I like it. I'm a fan. It just goes exactly where you want it to go.
That's what I felt, like a really easy flyer. There's not too much to complain about.
No, not at all. Coming close to stuff, through trees, never flown through a line before, and you just, does exactly what you tell it to do.
How are you finding the 03 unit?
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I'm a bit of a walk snail fan.
Yep.
I think for the versatility, but yeah, the DJI, you just can't compare really, can you? Even with these older goggles, they're just fine.
Yep. What's your battery voltage at? You've been flying for days, man. I'm getting worried.
I'm still at 3.65.
What?
Yep. What have I got? 3-minute flight time, not taking it in.
No, and you've been doing like some full throttle punch outs and those sorts of things. And of course, ELRS, like no range issues.
God,
yeah.
No, this thing's awesome.
Just like this is how quads should be. They just fly well, out of the box, lots of fun.
Yep.
Yeah, no, cool craft.
Oh, mate, I'll bring it in.
All right, let's see you. Let's test your landing skills.
Yeah, right. What am I landing on?
You are landing on, there's a little on the side of the track, a little seat down here. See if you can land on the top of that. Let's see. See your skills here.
No.
Missed it. No. We've got a slight little breeze. Yeah, oh, disarm.
It's on the wrong side again.
Boo.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go get it for you.
Boo.
All right, Stickman Steve, final thoughts. IKON 3.
If someone's after something bind and fly, ready to rip, this thing kills it. Honestly, it is so much fun. I put together a few 3 inches, never gone to bind and fly. I don't own DJI, but that image transmission, you're never gonna regret it, eh?
Yep.
But the frame itself and the way it flies straight out of the box, man, that thing was killer. It's one of the best ones you've had in a while.
Yes.
Honestly. Like, as you were saying too, just nice and quiet. Awesome little park flyer. It'll keep up with some of the biggest, baddest drones I've built in terms of speed, handling. No, yeah, I love it.
What about for 420 USD?
It's up there a little bit,
Yep.
I think. Especially with the O3 on the way out.
Yes.
But yeah, I mean, as I say, if you're after something that's already ELRS, already ready to go with some killer motors and a nice little frame, I mean, durability.
A bunch of TPU mounts.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
too
I
easy.
think it's good.
Thumbs up, thumbs down, or in the middle.
That's fun.
Too easy. All right. Thanks, Eddie.
Look, it's a solid drone. There is no complaints at all. It's fun, it is fast. I think it's holding up really well. It's a relatively robust little craft. And I love that you're getting that sort of premium attention to detail experience that you don't always get with some of things like iFlight or Betaflight or some of those other large manufacturers out there that just pump out a lot of binder flies. This right here is from like a small company that's making some really, really cool stuff. I like the TPU around there. I like everything that's doing. And of course, with ELRS and the DJI inside, you're gonna have just an awesome experience. So I gotta say, double thumbs up. But of course, with all those positives comes the price as well. So you're gonna be paying for it at like $120. It is not in the value side of things. This one I think is really going after people who want a fun, reliable little drone they can rip around. They would like the benefits of like a scratch build that somebody's done themselves with a bit of love, but they just don't want to spend the effort to do that. And that's what they're going to be paying for when they get this bad boy right here. So I got to say, double thumbs up. I really liked it.